Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to reveal a jaw-dropping secret that's making one YouTube channel over $30,000 every month without ever showing their face. Yes, you heard that right. And the best part, you can do it too. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process of creating a faceless YouTube channel using AI to script, edit, and automate your content. So buckle up, and let's dive into this thrilling adventure together. Before we jump into the process, let's understand the business concept behind this incredible success. As you might know, YouTube pays its creators based on how much time people spend watching their videos. But here's the key. You don't have to be in front of the camera to make money. Our strategy is all about using AI to create captivating content that keeps viewers hooked and coming back for more. To get started, we'll use ChatGPT, an amazing tool that makes scripting a breeze. Just ask ChatGPT to write a script for your YouTube idea, and it'll work its magic. We're going to explore true quotes about life, and I've already asked ChatGPT to come up with the 10 best ones. Isn't that incredible? ChatGPT has created an engaging script for us, and we can easily expand any section if needed. Now, you have a few options to voice your script. You can record it yourself, hire a voice actor, or use an AI voice generator like 11labs.io. Personally, I believe connecting with a real human voice creates a stronger bond with your audience, but the AI option is perfect if you want to save time. We're going to show you how to use 11labs.io, a fantastic AI voice tool that lets you generate realistic-sounding human voices for your videos. Let's dive in. To get started, head over to 11labs.io and create an account. Once you're in, click on Speech Synthesis. You can select one of the pre-made voices or customize your own by choosing the sex, age, and accent. Then, simply input the text you want to convert to speech, and with a click of a button, 11labs.io will generate the AI voice for you. Have you ever wondered how to generate a unique old wise man character for your video using the amazing Leonardo.AI? Well, you're in for a treat. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to create a stunning character with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Leonardo.AI is a cutting-edge image generation platform powered by AI and machine learning. It's perfect for game developers and animators who want to create astounding characters and assets effortlessly. Today, we'll focus on crafting an old wise man character to add depth and wisdom to your projects. Let's begin. Head over to the image generation page on Leonardo.AI. For our prompt, we'll ask for an old wise man character, full body, in the library. We'll use the proprietary Leonardo Creative model with default settings for now. Leonardo.AI quickly generates a variety of character options. We'll choose the one that best captures the essence of an old wise man. This one looks promising. Now let's upscale the image to maximize its quality. Upscaling adds fidelity, ensuring a high-quality output for our character. And there you have it. Our old wise man character is complete. Leonardo. AI's powerful tools allow us to craft unique characters with ease. Now, you can use this character in your YouTube video. Now we'll bring our old wise man character to life with his own voice. So let's dive in. With our character and dialogue ready, we'll export the character from Leonardo.AI and download the audio file generated by 11labs. This audio will be our old wise man's unique voice. Next, we'll utilize DID, a fantastic platform that uses real-time face animation and advanced text-to-speech to create immersive and human-like AI experiences. It's the perfect tool to make our old wise man speak with his newly generated voice. Now we'll head over to DID and upload our old wise man's image along with the audio file we got from 11labs. DID will work its magic to synchronize the animation with the voice. And there you have it. With all the inputs in place, DID will create an AI-generated video of our old wise man speaking with his unique, realistic voice. Isn't technology amazing?
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special for you. Life is an incredible journey, filled with ups and downs, and sometimes all we need is a little inspiration to keep pushing forward.
I'll show you how to add subtitles to your final video using CapCut, a fantastic video editing app that's gaining popularity among content creators. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and select the video you want to add subtitles to. Then, tap on the Subtitles button, which is represented by the speech bubble icon. CapCut also offers an auto subtitle feature, which automatically generates subtitles using speech recognition. While it may require some adjustments, it can save you time. Now let's make your subtitles stand out. You can adjust the font, size, and color of the subtitles using the options at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to explore various subtitle effects like text animation, outline effects, and background colors to add flair to your video. And there you have it. Adding subtitles to your final video is now a breeze with CapCut. Make your content accessible to a wider audience and boost engagement. With our video complete, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Remember, consistency is key. Keep uploading regularly to build a solid content base. This will help you gain more subscribers and improve your chances of going viral someday. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. With the power of AI, you can create a successful, faceless YouTube channel and make thousands of dollars every month. But remember, it's not just about the money, it's about sharing your passion with the world. So go out there, explore, and create content that captivates your audience. I'll be documenting my journey on this channel, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join me on this exciting adventure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Let's see the final result.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special for you. Life is an incredible journey, filled with ups and downs, and sometimes all we need is a little inspiration to keep pushing forward. So let's dive into the top 10 quotes about life that will uplift your spirits and ignite the fire within you. Helen Keller. Life is a daring adventure, or it is nothing at all. Pele. Success isn't determined by how many times you win, but by how you play the week after you lose. Max Levchin. Ignore your mistakes. The number one thing to worry about is, am I doing what I'm good at? Maya Angelou. Nothing will work unless you do. Admiral William McRaven. If you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. Andre Gide. One doesn't discover new lands without consenting to lose sight for a very long time of the shore. Sheryl Sandberg. When looking for a life partner, my advice to women is date all of them. Over time, nothing is sexier. Brad Pitt. I think happiness is overrated. Satisfied, at peace. Those would be more realistic goals.